Good morning. Today we are going to discuss our first program, linear search. So this is a sample algorithm for linear search. So we have a linear search function or a linear search. We are going to pass the array. Suppose array is A. Okay. And I want to search the element S. So this is a linear search. So I have a for loop. So I'm writing a pseudo code, not a pure algorithm. So if a of I equal to s, then element is found, then it will be returning 1. Otherwise, if this loop is been terminating without hitting this case, then it is returning 0. So I want to convert this algorithm to a program. Okay. So I want to convert this linear search to a program. So I'm going to write a function for that. So this function is going to return a value either 1 or 0. Okay, so I want to create a function. So linear search, that's my function name, linear search. Then I want to pass an array. So I have to declare an array int a. Then the element to be searched in S. I'm also passing the size of the array. Okay, so size of the array. So I'm making the S as the size of the array. Then I'm passing the element to be searched as k. Okay, so k is the element. So I'm after k is the element to be searched. K is k. Okay, I will make this as also k. K is also k. Okay, k is the element to be searched. Element searched, and S is the size of the array. S size of array. A is the array itself. Okay, so after this function will return an integer value, so I'm going to write int. So this is a function. So I'm going to implement the same code here. Okay, so I'm going to use a for loop for int I equal to 0. I is less than the size is s, I plus plus. Okay, then I want to check inside this. I'm going to check if a of I equal to a of I equal to k, a of I equal to k. In the algorithm we have written the same code. Okay, then it will be return 1. Okay, else I'm going to return this as. So if this loop is not terminating here, so I'm going to return it as 0. Return 0. Okay, the same code. So whatever I have done, the same code I have copied and placed it here. Okay, so this is my algorithm. So I will be commenting this line. Okay, slash star and star slash. So either we can use slash star slash for commenting, or you can use slash slash for commenting in C programming. So this is my code. Now if I want to run, I have tried the main also. Okay, so I'm going to create a main, void main. Main is there. Okay, so inside the main, what I needed, I want to call this function linear search. Okay, while writing the function you don't want to add spaces. Okay, so this is a function. For that I have to pass an array. So initially I want to create an array. Before creating the array, I want to read the size of the array. So I'm going to read the size of the array. Printf enter the size of array. Array size is being read. So I'm going to create a variable s for that. Then scanf %d and of s. So this is size is been read. After reading size, I'm going to create an array in a of s. I created the array. Now I want to read the elements to the array. Okay, so I'm going to read the elements. Printf enter the element, enter the element to, enter the element. ready now. So I'm going to write a for loop for int I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I is less than size I plus plus, the same code. So I want to read the element scanf %d and of AR5. So I have read the array. So array is ready now. So now I want to read the element to be searched. Okay. So I'm going to read the element, enter the element, to be searched. So I read that in K. So I have read that in K. And I'm again using a scanf statement. So I want to pass this. Okay. Now I want to call the function. Okay, I'm going to call this function. LinearSearch is a function. To that I want to pass the array. So okay, I'm going to get the LinearSearch function. I want to pass this array. By passing, you just want to name the array. Then I want to pass the size of the array, and then the element to be searched. And this function will be returning a value. So I'm creating a variable flag. So flag will have either 1 or 0. If one element is found, if flag is true, then print of element found. Else printf element not found. This is the code. So code is been completed. So we will save that in save as. We'll click on save as, and I'm going to save it as LinearSearch. LinearSearch.c. So I have the file now. File is ready. Okay, we will go to the editor. Already we have installed the compiler. Okay, so I will go to the folder desktop. Inside the desktop, I have the DS folder. So inside that I can see the files. LinearSearch. So I'm going to compile. For compilation, I will use the gcc LinearSearch.c. Compiling the code. So again, we have to include the stdio.h. So I'm going to include that. Okay, I want to include header file #include stdio.h will be included. Saved again. So we are again going to try to run that. If statement. The mistake is there. We will go to that statement itself. This is statement. If flag is there, element found, else not found. So here we are missing semicolon here. So I will save that. Then again we will go to font. Take that font. So I have compiled it. So file has been created. So I'm going to run the program. So I am asking size of the array, enter it as 5. Enter the elements 12, 13, 14, 19, 16. Enter the element to be searched. I'm entering it as 7. Saying element not found. Trying to run it again. 5 elements. Elements are 1, 5, 11, 0, 4, element to be searched 0. So I'm saying this element found. So this is a program for LinearSearch. Thank you.